Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the two ways to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. First things first, we need to go to our Instagram app. Then after that, go to our messages. And now select the account that you want to turn off. Now as you can see, the Vanish mode is turned on. So what you can do is simply go to your friend's profile and then select the privacy and safety, and you will see here the Vanish mode. You can turn this off. Now there is another way that you can turn off easily. Go back to your conversation and just simply swipe up, and here it is. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.